Okay guys, I'm back again. Today I will be doing a 4-box breaks. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the Panini Prizm Blaster exclusive Prizm Green Pulsar. Okay, 2018-2019 box. Each box costs about $19.95, right? And in each box there are 6 packs, and each packs have 4 cards. Okay, let's get right into it because I want to make this video a little shorter. Okay, so we're gonna be going on a speed.
Mommy, look at this. Mommy, look at this. Okay, mommy, look at this.
Okay.
I just tied it.
Alright, here we go. Alright, this is box number 1.
Mommy, look. Oh. Where's my shot?
Okay, try to turn the other way, please. Please. Rudy Gay. Okay.
Lebron James.
Mr. Green. Willie Cauley-Stein. And this is a Prizm, okay? Marcus Smart. Looking for LeBron James insert. Anything with LeBron James. Mr. Beal. AI. Allen Iverson. Sexton. Sexton Jr. Sexton. Mr. Sexton. Colin Sexton. Norkicks. Bragdon. Andrew Wiggins. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Dante Exum. I normally repackage my cards because I'm gonna put these in the box and I probably won't see them again until next year. You guys play too much, man. Kevin Durant.
KD, he got injured.
My second KD. Michael Chris Gilchrist, eh?
I thought that was your first.
Dirk Nowitzki Green.
Second.
Patrick Ewing.
Good.
Hadeke, when you're done, Hadeke, go to your bed, Hado. How do you go to your bed? You got practice tomorrow, right? How do you go to your bed? Go that way. Don't touch my stand, please. Mr. Russell. Preston. Miles Bridges. Aaron Gordon. And this is the final pack of box number 1. Wesley Matthews. Mr. Simmons. Oscar Robertson. Yao Ming. Okay, nothing special. On to the next one. Box number 2. Let's get right into it. Six packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I pulled all my big cards earlier, man. I'm not getting anything. Pack number 1. Sock. Yoshimi, I can't see you. I can't see you. I don't like dealing with you guys. That's why I miss my friend. Josh Hart. Seems like an autograph. Autograph. Prizm autograph. Spellman. Nice. If I get one like this in Luka Doncic, that would be big. Turner. It's a nice autograph there, man. It's on my line. Alright, pack number 2. Porter Jr. LeBron James. It's my first LeBron James of any sort. I hope it's a Prizm. Boy, it seems like, whoa, Prizm. Yup. It is a Prizm. Right there. Big old LeBron James hype Prizm. Nice.
LeBron James?
That's a LeBron James. Nice pull. Anything LeBron James? It's good. And this is a Prizm too. Makes it very good for me. My favorite player. Okay. Mikal Bridges. Bookers. Just happy to pull my first LeBron James of any sort in these Prizm Buster box. That was a fun pull. Okay. Next, Spellman. Rookie. AI. That's my guy, man. Allen Iverson. Nice. Woo, 2 back-to-back greens. Whoa, Mike Conley. 2 back-to-back greens. Nice. Rozier. 2 back-to-back greens. Nice. Let's see if that was numbered. Nope. Nope. Wow, this this was a big box. You're showing 2 back-to-back greens and a LeBron James Prizm. Boy. Chandler. Murray. Frazier. Mark Gasol. So far I like this box number 2. Marcus Aldridge. Melton. Mr. Harden. This one is not Prizm though. And Isaac. Jonathan Isaac. And this is the final pack of box number 2. Big pulls, big pulls. Bradley. Crowder. Jay Crowder. Frank. It's a silver. Yep, silver Prizm. And Mr. Thomas. Okay, that's the final pack of the second box. Let's go on to the next one, guys. On to the next one. Alright, box number 3. Box number 3. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I cut the card. Hopefully there's nothing valuable in there. Oh my LeBron. I think these boxes are great for silver Prizms. Let's get right into it. Crabby. Allen Crabbe. Reggie Miller. Nice. My favorite shooter back in the days. Lonzo Ball Prizm. Nice. And Meritic. A lot of people hating on Lonzo, but I like this guy, man. He's gonna be great. This is his second year card. So I'll pack that up. Lonzo Ball Prizm. Pack number 2. Barnes. Harrison Barnes. Okay. Taj Gibson. Dante D. Freshman phenoms, okay? Shamet. This guy gonna be a good player in the future, I think, this Shamet guy. Okay, next pack. Hunter. Enes Kanter. Marvin Williams. Jackson Jr. Reggie Jackson. Alright, let's go on to pack number 4. Pack number 4. Shannon Fry. Skiakam. Pascal Skiakam. Okay. Okobi. You see me? You're unbelievable. Justin Jackson. Okay, we got 2 more packs and 1 more back, and that's it for today. Not breaking anymore. Iguodala. Brandon Ingram. Mr. Ingram. Hardaway Jr. It's a Prizm, by the way. Bogdanovic. Alright, this is the last pack of box number 3. Patrick Beverly. This guy is a great defensive player. Kevin. I'm not even going into his name. Ooh, Andrew Wiggins green. Van Fleet. Okay. Okay, there you have it. That was box number 3. Let's go on to box number 4, and that's it for today. Everybody's tired. Alright, this is the last box break of the day. Panini Prizm. Blaster box. 6 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. We're gonna have 6 more packs on it. Oh, by the way, this is a Jason Tatum Summer League basketball autograph. This is a Lonzo Ball autograph hat. Alright, this is the last break, pack number 1. Giles. Pippen. Scottie Pippen. Z. Smith. And last but not least, Randall. What you mean? This is the last box. Last box. Pack number 2. Rivers. What is his name? Ernest Ilyasova. Reggie Miller. Frazier. Melvin Frazier. Melvin Frazier. There you go, pack number 2. On to the next one. Paul George. Salmon Hill. Mr. Hill. Gortat. Mr. Fox. There you have it. Go on to pack number 4. George McKinney. CJ McCollum. Mr. Ayton. And last but not least, Peyton. It's a nice patch, Mr. Ayton. Jarrett Allen. Somebody don't do that, please. James Harden. Allen Iverson. Colin Sexton. And this is the last pack of the full box break. DeRozan. DeMar DeRozan. Devin Booker. I don't like dealing with fools, man. Vanderbilt. And last but not least, right. Alright, there you have it, guys. Thank you guys for looking. Nothing really special. On to the next ones. Alright, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. See you later.